friends, it's Rachel. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, we're going to make a thank you card, and we're going to make it from this really fun, festive, summer fun cardstock by Echo Park, and it literally is called Summer Fun. And I'm making a thank you card for my mom. She came down here for quite some time to help us out while our sitter was out of town and make a thank you card from me, my husband, and our daughter. So this is a really pretty cardstock collection, really fun festive patterns, and we're actually going to be using almost all the patterns in today's video just to make it fun. I will tell you that this is, I don't know, this is a few years old, so I don't know if they still have it available, because I probably bought this back in 2020, so about 4 years ago. I used to be into cards a lot, and I bought a bunch of cardstock, and now I'm slowly getting back into it, and so I will try my best to link this, but if I can't, then you'll know that Echo Park no longer has the cardstock anymore. Okay, but a lot of fun patterns in there, so I'm sure they have similar ones as well. So we are going to, and this is actually one of them that we're going to be using in today's collection, or in today's video, and then look at the back side of these pretty watermelons. But first, let's go ahead. I already have my, we're doing an A2 size card, and we're going to go ahead and score that. So it is going to be, the size of the card is 5.5 by 4.25. There we go. So I'm just scoring it at the 4.25 mark. Perfect. And I will tell you, if you're getting into cards, I'd probably get a smaller one. In fact, I'm going to invest in a smaller scoring board because this is just too big. There we go. Perfect. So we're going to have it oriented this direction. Now, before we go ahead and do that, we are going to stamp the inside of the card, not the outside of the card. And I'm going to use, now, if this is the first time I've used these, I haven't even tested it off camera. I don't know. These are pretty old, so I brought both of them out. I have my Momentum Tuxedo Black and I have my Versifying Clear in black as well. So we'll see if these work. And if the ink is still good, it should be, but you know, those things tend to dry up. And I'm going to use my mini Misty here and get my card out, and it's going to be oriented this way, so I'm going to have to bend my card. Okay. Like I said, I used to be into cards. We're going to be using these stamps. I don't even know. Stampendous is what they're called. Took me a couple times to say that. I don't know where I got this. Probably Amazon. Again, if I can find it for you all, I will, but if not, I haven't even used it. Okay. We're going to be using the thank you. Okay, I'm going to place this on my, I'm going to make sure this is in the corner real good. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and place this. Looks like I might have used this before, actually. I think that looks good. What do you guys think? Okay, perfect. Let me reposition this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and condition it. I don't think I've used it before. All right, let's see if this ink is still good. Looks like it is. I may have to get a new one. It's been a while since I've used my collection before. And I'm just making sure that I have the ink completely coated on there. I may have to stamp it twice. Okay, let's go ahead and close that. Oh, that turned out beautiful. Okay, perfect. Yeah, love it. Okay. Wonderful. So then I'll go ahead and clean that afterward. I'm going to bring in my panel, and I need 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm going to cut this down to 4. Perfect. And then I'll switch it over. Now you want to be careful because do you want more black to show or do you want more of the color to show? So you want to kind of be aware of where you're making your cuts. And then this is going to be 5 1/4. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to bring in my card base and then my panel. So my panel is going to go, looks like I got this folded a little bit crooked. I'm going to fix that because that is bothering me. So it's going to go like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. Now this is a pretty pattern one. I'm just going to use my art glitter glue. As you can see, you don't really need a whole lot for when you're using art glitter glue, and it dries clear, so that's nice. All right, so then what I did in that same pattern, cardstock, I cut out using my Cricut. I found these little flip-flops design, SVGs if you will, in Design Space, and I just used the various different patterns, or I used different patterns for the different parts of the flip-flop. So what we're going to do, we're going to assemble it first because they're going to go on something like that. Isn't that cute? All these different patterns. Why not, right? First we're going to do is we're going to assemble our top of our flip-flop here, and I'm just trying to get an idea for where they're going to go as far as placement's concerned. I'm going to bring out my tweezers because these are such delicate thin pieces, and I think wherever that glue lands, it lands. Even that's really pretty. Yeah, okay. We're still going to go with the green. And then, oh, you get this oriented right. Okay, there we go. I think they're going to go about right there. Okay, now we do have some glue that's coming out here at the bottom as I suspected, just because I didn't know where it was going to land, and that's okay. I'll just get some baby wipe and clean that up. No problem. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get this situated. Okay, I use my tweezers. The tweezers just really do help with these small pieces. So consider getting yourself a pair of tweezers if you don't have any in your stash. They do help out. Okay, that's good. Just pushing down to give it some pressure here, and then bring in my baby wipe to clean that up. Okay, I'm going to try to wipe some of that glue away just so it doesn't get on the mat again. Okay, perfect, easy. So then the next part is adding these flowers. So again, bringing back in my tweezers. This is such an easy card to do. I love it. Again, I just searched for flip-flops in Design Space and found there's quite a few different kinds of flip-flops that you can pick from, And I just chose one that I could use different patterns for the flip-flops, because there's like flip-flops that have, you know, just two different, like this, just this, and then this, right? And I wanted just different things to be on there just to make it fun and interesting. Okay. Bringing this over. Perfect. Aren't these super adorable? Who would not want these flip-flops, right? They're crazy. So now I'm going to use the little centers for them. Now, honestly, they really don't need it because they already have dots, but I figured, why not? These shoes are already crazy as they are, and I'm using the yellow side. I'm going to change course, and I found these clear dewdrops. I don't know if they're going to look good, but let's give them a try. Oh, there's 2 packs. Nice. Okay. Put some here. I wonder if that... I'm going to use this one since it's... Yeah, why not, right? Okay. Those are really big, though. Let me see. Do they have different sizes? Looks like they do. Okay, let's go a little bit smaller than that. I don't need that anymore. Let's do this one. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay. So, pick that up. And I think this is going to need a little bit more. That's a little bit too much, but we can wipe it off. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Let's put that right there. Perfect. Okay. Now let's try this one. Are these the same size? No. No. Here we go. Super adorable. Okay, let me bring that up a little bit so y'all can see. Isn't that pretty? Okay. That is done. And then all we gotta do is simply prop it up, and I'm gonna use foam squares for that. Now that should dry clear. Might cause it to be a little cloudy, but hopefully not too terribly. Okay, now bring these over and let me do something here. Put that down so this doesn't move, and then bring these over just to kind of get an idea for placement. That's good. That's good. See? And we're done. Isn't that cute? So much pattern going on. I love it. Then you just open up, says thank you, and I'll write something down here. I'll have my daughter draw on here, and we'll give it to my mom as a thank you. What do you guys think? It was really easy. Again, I just found a pair of flip-flops that I liked, and I just cut it out with some cardstock that I thought would be fun and festive for the summer, and of course then we just stamped on the inside. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Well, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.